Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Nia from Charming Lashes. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my volume fans. I've gotten a lot of questions of people commenting under my videos asking me if I'm using pre-made lashes. Pre-made fans. Are the fans already made? What fans am I using and stuff? So right now I am currently in a transition of trying different lashes. I'm not really stuck only onto Yegi Beauty right now because there is quite a lot of new options. So I just decided that I should review this lash brand as well since I've been using it. And I just want to tell you guys a little bit about this lash brand as well, because not a lot of people will be spending $34 for just a lash tray, and that's just being real. Some people want to go the cheaper route but still want their lashes to look presentable, still want them to look like good quality and still be good quality. So I decided to let you guys know what I thought about the B&Q. I will leave the link down in the description box for you guys to check it out. So this is going to be my honest review, and I will be showing you guys how to make fans with them. I actually put a strip on my hand because when I put it on the lash tile, I don't know, it was glaring up. So I don't really know about that. I will try it to see how it looks in the video, but if not, you will be seeing it on my hand. I'll be showing you guys how I make my fan on my hand. A little bit into detail, these are the B&Q lashes in 0.07. This is just one of the trays. I have like 3, and I chose the 3 sizes. I bought the 3 sizes 13, 15, and 17. I just like the 0.07s. So these are the size 15s and 0.07s. Don't mind my nails, you guys, it's like super grown out. But yeah, these are the size 15s and 0.07s from B&Q Lashes. Look how pretty it looks. It looks really, really good. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my glue aid. And I'm just going to take a small amount, nothing too big. Just a real small amount. I don't know if any came out. Can't really see. Okay. And then close that up, put that to the side. And then I'm just going to pass it along my lashes. And this is just to block out any future issues with my glue and anything like that, glue, humidity, anything like that. This is literally just going to cancel all that out. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. So you're gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes. I'm just gonna brush through these lashes real quick so I don't have to deal with any like things. That's one thing I can say about this lash brand. The tips of the lashes kind of stick together, but that's not really a big deal. We're only worried about the bottom. So just give it a nice little brush through and you should be good. Oh, by the way, how cute are these wands, you guys? I got this off Amazon and they're so cute. So what I like to do is, before anything, as you can see, this is the adhesive strip. I ripped off a piece. Like, as you can see on this side, this is like super full. What I like to do is take off a piece of it and give me a little room for my adhesive. And this is just gonna give me space so when I wanna fan out my lashes, okay? I like to just grab a couple. I don't count as many. I just literally just grab a couple. And I pull from the, you see where this line is? This is where you should be pulling your lashes from, okay? And disclaimer, this is not a video to turn you guys into volume lash artists. This is not a video. You cannot just watch this video and say you're certified in volume lashes, okay? Let's get that clear. I'm gonna add this in the beginning of the clip because I want you guys to know that this is not a video to make you guys turn into a volume lash technician. You need to take the class, okay? I don't know the requirements for every state, but I know here in Florida you need to be taught by an esthetician with an esthetician license. You cannot just go ahead and get up and be a lash tech. Take the course because they are not only going to be teaching you about fanning, but they will be teaching you safety tips, how to protect your client's eyes, how to sanitize and make sure you don't have germs or fungi, all that stuff. Because you may know how to make fans and put it on lashes, but if you don't know how to take care of your client's lashes before you even put a lash set on, that can cause big problems and you do not want to get in trouble, okay? I'm just gonna grab a couple and I'm grabbing from this line. As you can see, use this as your measuring tool, okay? So you're just gonna pull from the bottom, as you can see here, and just pull just a little bit, just like that. Take your time. And as you can see, this is way too thick to put on a lash. Like, you don't want to just place this on somebody's lash like that. You want to place it right back on the adhesive, just like that. And then you're just going to separate it. Look how easy the separation is. It's kind of harder because it's on my hand, because I want you guys to be able to see it. But separation is just beautiful. Okay, look at that. Really nice. And then you can take a couple off depending on your client's lash thickness. I love to go by my client's lash. I feel like that gives every client a different look. Every look is customized because not everybody can handle a 4D or a 5D lash. Okay, so once again, I'm placing it down and I'm fanning out just like that, as wide as I want it to be. And there you have it. So you can see. Next thing I like to do is I like to make sure I'm holding all the lashes like this in place, and I'm going to pick them up from the bottom. Okay, so right from the same line, you're going to pick up like that, just like that. And there's your fan. Super easy, you guys. It's nothing complicated. I'll show you guys again. So I'm just pulling like this. Just pulling a couple out. Just like that. Placing it down. And then I'm just widening it out. Just like that. And then I'm just going to pull from the bottom. And there's your fan. Try this again. I'm just pulling from the bottom. Just like that. You want to hold it in place. And then I'm just going to place it down right on the adhesive, just like that. And then I'm going to use the tip of my tweezers. I call it the teeth. So I'm just going to use the teeth of it. And then I'm just going to use it to spread. You don't need to press hard on it, okay? You don't need to press like this. All you just need to do is just lightly do it, okay? Just like that. Take off the strands you don't need. And then I'm going to pull. And there's your fan. Let me try to put it on the lash tile to see if you guys can see it. Like I said, I love this lash tile, you guys. You should definitely get your hands on this. This is also on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in this description box for you guys. It actually has different sizes on it. If you can see, it goes from 7 all the way down to 15. But I do not use them. I just literally use this to place my lashes on it. So yeah, definitely a good purchase, you guys. You can always, and it's glass, so as soon as you're done, you can literally just throw it in your sanitation bin or your sanitation box or whatever you use to sanitize. So it's really, really good. And I can tell you guys, is to practice, okay? When I first started the volume sessions, it wasn't easy for me, okay? So don't just think because you see my voluminous fans and big dramatic lashes on my IG that means that I'm like everything is easy. It's not easy till this day. Sometimes I get struggles, but nothing but practice won't fix it, okay? And not just any practice, good practice. Like, you need to put your all into these fans. You need to put your all into isolating every single lash on your client, because if you're not doing that, you're not going to get the overall result that you expected. And people, trust me, people are watching. Nowadays, everybody's a lash tech, and people are literally just looking to the point where they know if this lash tech sucks. You get what I'm saying? So just make sure your work is very neat and clean, so that way you'll have more clients coming towards you. Okay guys, so this is basically it for my tutorial of showing you guys how I make my volume fans. In this last clip, you're just going to see me create some volume fans off my lash tile. So I hope you guys enjoy it. The lighting is not that well, but if you guys can give me a couple ideas on how I should set up my camera with the ring light so you guys can see tutorials like this much better, go ahead and comment it down below for me, as well as if you have any other ideas or any other questions of what you would like me to film, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make a video as quick as possible. I do have another video coming up, and that's going to be how I make my volume wispy sets, in-depth tutorials, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!